Alright, this is the Ed and Joe Jett installation. They bought a Lance camper. We put four 200-watt panels up on top. Not a lot of room, but 800 watts. We put a Victron 70 amp controller in there because we can put 200 more watts on this controller. So what we'll do is we'll put two 100-watt flexible panels that you can throw out on the ground, wired in series for 24 volts. The ones up on the roof are wired at 24 volts. Series parallel up there. You can see we're out here on the lake. Terrible place to install, huh? So it's got a rack up there. If we didn't have that rack, we wouldn't have been able to put four panels. Ugh. But so we got two panels up front. Got these panels. Make some special mounts to get them on here. Had to take the cover off. We got 800 watts, and with the other ones it'll be 1,000 watts for this camper. Just quite a few for a camper. Now we're going to the, not a lot of places to put stuff in here. We also put a composting toilet in right there. And so the only place to put everything was in this closet. Two Battleborn batteries. Thank you, Battleborn. I have a Xantrex 2000 with an 80 amp charger, built-in transfer switch, a 150 70 amp Victron controller with disconnect, 80 amp resettable circuit breaker there, 300 amp T-fuse. Notice how the wires, the fuses are close to the batteries. That's the way they need to be, close to the batteries. I see a lot of them that are a long ways away. Disconnect for the inverter. And here we have the shunt right there. And so that's that install. So it's in a closet. We're going to put some vents up here, one over here, cross ventilation so they can shut the door. And there it is. So that is done there. DC panel down there. Batteries used to be outside. Batteries used to be in this compartment here on the slide, but we moved them inside so we keep everything together. So that's for this installation. We are leaving tomorrow, heading for Badlands. There's the work trailer. We're going to be putting, we start on that next, putting 2400 watts on, putting a rack up on top. Got rid of the horse rack. So we are off and running. So we will leave you on this video the nice view of the reservoir.